Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the TCS Ninja interview experience as well as digital interview experience. And one is Satvik Thakur, and he is from computer science branch, and he has done his interview and on 1st October. And what the question are asked in the interview, I will explain here everything. First of all, the interviewer will ask introduce about yourself, and then he asked the question which language you know. Means if you know Java, then you can write a program on a paper. If else logic, and again he asked to write addition program. Okay, and if you say he know means you know C++ and C, then the interviewer will ask to write a program on addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, and the logics of if else condition. And after that, then he asked what is data in database. Okay, and this question is from DBMS. And any project, what do you use in that project? Okay, the interviewer will ask about your project which you mentioned in the resume. He again asked it will run on any operating system. I said I written in Java. Java code will run on any OS like Linux, Mac OS, etc. Then can we upload photos in data? He asked. This is his TR round, and his HR round is adaptability, strength, night shift, relocation. Only these things the interviewer were asked in HR round. Okay, and he has only two round, TR and HR round. Sometime the it's depend on interviewer. It may be three rounds also. Your MR round will be also there, but in the most time TR, MR, and HR round will be conducted. But in the some rare cases, only technical or HR round is conducted. It depend on the HR and interviewer how they will take your interview. Okay, then the second interview is of Abhi, and he is from mechanical branch. And the question asked by interviewer are um, like round 1 is a technical round, and the round 2 is HR round. And in the round 1, the interviewer were asked about self introduction. You can see that most of them means every interview will start with self introduction. Then he mentioned Python in his resume. Then they ask question on Python like Python data types, Python ops concept, C language basic definitions, C program for swapping of two number. These are the simple basics program. Asked what are your favorite subject? I have answered automobile engineering and fluid mechanics. And he asked the basic concept related to that subject. Means if you are from mechanical branch, then they will ask some question related to your branch. Similarly, if you are from electrical and civil, they will ask the question on that. Then three laws of thermodynamics. Why IT? Means you are from mechanical branch, then why you want to go into the IT? Okay, all these questions are technical round from mechanical branch student. And the second round is HR round, and in the HR round the um, interviewer ask about self introduction and are you able to relocate. तो इसमें आपको यस ही बोलना पड़ेगा. Then asked favorite game and asked to explain why, and thank you and indeed. Okay, in this interview you can see two round is there only, technical and HR round. Okay, and the last interview is Srinivas, and he is from mechanical branch, and he has given his interview of TCS Digital. And in the TCS Digital, they ask a question. The interviewer will start about self introduction, and as he is from mechanical branch, any programming related project have you done? Then which algorithm have you used in your project? Okay, they will ask about your algorithm, your project. and what formula do you use for multiple linear regression. Okay, they will ask question on linear regression. If he mentioned like he has done program on with this algorithm, then they will ask question on this. Then what type of libraries have you used in your project, means mostly they will ask question from self introduction and you are related to your project, oops concept, then any programming language you know, then what is difference between C and Java, means these are the basic questions like what is the difference between C and C++, C and Java, C and Python. All these questions only the interviewer asked. Then what is meant by polymorphism, and what is method overloading and method overriding, and where do we use it in the program. Then what are global and local variables, and after that logic on a string program. Okay, then are you willing to relocate, bond, they will ask about service bond, and any gap in education. If you have any gap, then they will ask question related to that. If you have dropped some years, then you can explain here and tell the reason. Then about TCS, if they are asking about TCS, so first of all you have, you know, the CEO of TCS like Rajesh Gopinathan, and employee in TCS head quarter like Mumbai. Okay, all these basics knowledge you can have if you are going to do TCS interview. Then why you want to join TCS, able to work in any shift, means night shift, day shift. Okay, so you have to say yes. So all these questions are asked in the TCS digital interview, and the student is from mechanical branch. Okay, so in this way, the interviewer was asked, mainly the interviewer asked about the question related to your project and OOPS concept, difference between C, C++, C and Java, C and Python, self introduction, and some question on global local variable, some question on database. And in the HR round, they are asking mostly from bond period, willing to relocate, night shift, why you want to join TCS. So all these questions are only asked in every interview. So thank you guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel.